Test drive the 2015 Caravan. The Dodge Caravan invented the minivan, offering an especially useful amount of room in a surprisingly easy-to-drive package. The Caravan quickly became the new synonym for family transportation and spawned competitors from all sides and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote start, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster. Come take a test drive today.